Today we're gonna play the Brookhaven. Three hours later. Ping. Hello. Oh. Wait lang. Hello guys. Alright. See you in my channel. Ha 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 ha. Ow. Oh. Being watch out this apple. Hello guys. Welcome. Kunyari computer. Welcome to my house and so ready. Wait lang, nanalak ko. Paano ba yan? Ulit. And ulit guys. Hello guys, to my house is so ready here. And so strong people. Look at this. Di ba alam ko meron paano mo ito nagawa. Alam mo dati pa akong gusto makita ito. Anyway. Kuyari na so water tayo. Okay. For today's video. Boom. Wait, I forgot for my speed. There we go. So, wag muna nga tayo mag-camera. Oh. Tapos, kotse na. And barba. Hello guys. We are in the swimming pool. Nakukurente ako. Woohoo! Maganda ka 3 million hour. And hello guys. We're teleported. Bibili tayo ngayon ng pagkain. Bibili. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa na ito. Pagnanakaw na nga lang ako. Oh my god, sabi na nga ba eh. Give it up. Wait, I did grocery. There we go. Mali yung video. Ulit ka. What the hell? Wait. What I'm gonna do? I'm evil now. No way. Titan speaker man is evil. I am angry now. Yeah! Ayun yung best friend ko sa Minecraft eh. Na may stuff. Anyway. Oh, na, may stuff. Come on. Punta na tayo eh. And hello guys. We teleport in here. We teleport! We are the run to run! Woo! 3 hours later. And hello guys! Oh, don't see my butt! Don't see my butt! Ah! 3 hours and later. Ay, tingnan mo ko. Guys, don't see my butt, okay? Don't see my butt, okay? Oh god damn it! Guys, if you fight me, you'll get Robux, okay? I will hide. Pick your eyes. Okay, guys, find me. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You fight me, guys? Oh, God damn it! And guys, this is the end of the video. Goodbye, I'm gonna film myself. Wait lang, stop mo na yung video.